Hi everyone, it's Tanya with Riley and Company here with a sneak peek at our April Craft Along kit. There is so much in this kit. I think this is my very favorite kit. And the cards are stunning. So this kit is for everybody out there that likes absolutely breathtakingly colored cards without having to color. So in the kit, I just don't even know where to start. Okay, so in the kit, this is like a mega kit. You are going to get 3 sets of dies. Look at that, 3 sets of Mushroom Lane dies. You are going to get 3 sets of layering sheets. You are going to get Nomis and accessories layering sheet. You're going to get worms and a layering sheet. You are going to get 3 already printed cut sheets. You are also going to get this absolutely amazing paper pack. Look at these. I know that Scrappy Boy Stamps did not make these specifically for the Mushroom Lane line, but he might as well have. Look at these papers. They are phenomenal. And the kit will make these 3 cards. Are you ready for this? It's going to blow your mind. Look at this card. No coloring involved. Not one little bit. It's a layering sheet, die cuts, put on Scrappy Boy paper, and assembled. Can you imagine? Somebody will get this card from you and think, oh my goodness, look at that. So that's the first card. Okay. This is the second card, Toasty In. Look at the layering on these. You guys are going to flip over the I absolutely love these cards. I'm so excited. And finally we have our sweet shop. Look at the background for this. Isn't this just insane? And look, ta-da! So make sure you head out to RileyandCompanyOnline.com, grab your kit. These will sell out so fast. We've got them priced very well. And then if you want to follow along with me and make the cards, you can join me on the Oak event, one of a kind stamping and scrapbooking event on the 12th of April. So make sure you join us and grab your kit. Take care. Have a great day, everybody.